Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English, Beginner 14, Crime.
Hi, my name is Steve. My girlfriend told me that I need to lose some weight, so I thought I'd better go for a bike ride today. And I don't work out that often, so I think it's important that I warm up. Whilst I do that, your English teacher will take you through today's lesson.
In this lesson, we will study yes or no questions in English. Do you lock your bike? Yes, I do. Did you keep it inside? No, I didn't. With yes or no questions, your voice goes up at the end. First, here are some words about bicycles. Do you lock your bike? To keep our bikes safe, we lock them with a bicycle lock. You need to lock your bike to something. A lamppost maybe. A lamppost is a tall light for the street. We are now going to watch a short movie. This person lost her bicycle. She is talking to the police on the telephone.
Hello, 911 dispatch.
Hello, officer? Somebody just stole my bicycle.
Okay, can you tell me what happened, ma'am?
Well, I ride into the city every day and leave it in exactly the same place. Today, when I returned, after work, I couldn't find it.
So, where exactly did you leave it?
I left it around the corner on Main Street, by the post office.
Did you lock it to something?
Yes, of course. I locked it to a lamppost.
And when did you put it there?
I put it there about 8:30 this morning.
Did the thief break the lock?
Yes, he broke it all right.
Now let's talk about the questions. Sometimes we ask questions that have a yes or no answer. When that question is in the past, we use did. Did he steal your bike? Yes, he stole my bike. Steal becomes stole. When the answer is no, we use didn't to show the past. Did he steal your bike? No, he didn't steal my bike. Sometimes the verb doesn't change at all. Did he put a lock on it? Yes, he put a lock on it. No, he didn't put a lock on it. Let's go on.
Okay, I'm gonna go for a jog.
Try listening to the language. The sound of yes or no questions goes up at the end. Listen for the word something.
Did you lock it to something?
Did you hear it? It's a yes or no question, so the sound goes up. Look at this question. Does this question go up at the end?
So, where exactly did you leave it?
No, the sound didn't go up. This is not a yes or no question. What do you think about this question? Is it yes or no? Does it go up?
Did the thief break the lock?
Yes, he broke it all right.
Yes, it did go up. So in today's lesson, we've learned that when you ask a question with a yes or no answer, your voice goes up at the end. Does that make sense? Did he steal your bike? Yes, he did. No, he didn't.
What the hell? Where's my bike gone? Someone's stolen it. Where are they? My bike has been stolen by a thief, and now I can't lose any weight, which means my girlfriend won't want to see me anymore. I better go to the police and report my stolen bike.